Come on in. I'm gonna move. Hello. Who are you? Rainbow Dash? Why does every pony keep calling me that? Sparkle Cutie Mark Rainbow Dash? Thank you. At least some pony around here tells me. I'm Rainbow Dash's sister, cousin-in-law. Cousin-in-law? I'm Rainbow Dash, but I'm more of Cutie Mark. Sparkle Cutie Mark Rainbow Dash. Fluttershy, you have a very nice place here. Oh, thank you, Sparkle Cutie Mark Rainbow Dash. Can you stand next to Sparkle Cutie Mark Pinkie Pie? No, I mean next to Vinyl. Yeah, if I sit next to Pinkie, you won't be able to see Nightmare Moon. Yeah, she looks so proud over there. Alright. Come in. Eee, hello. Who are you? I'm Sparkle Pinkie Pie. Who are you? Fluttershy? Huh? Fluttershy. I still can't hear you. Fluttershy? Fluttershy? Yes. Oh, it's very nice to meet you. Where should I stand? Ha ha.